So I'll be showing you how to disable color filters or tint from your iPhone's screen. So if you feel like your iPhone looks funny with a strange color or filter, then here's how you can disable all filters and tint from your display. I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these instructions will apply to other iPhones as well. So go to settings. Let me just go back all the way to the main settings page. Go to settings. On the main settings page, go to accessibility, tap on that. Under accessibility, tap on display and text size. And then under that, look for color filters, tap on that. And to turn off everything, just use that kill switch, and that's going to turn off all the filters. And now the iPhone colors look normal. Okay. If you want to, you can leave it on and adjust things like intensity and hue, and maybe even change some of these predefined filters until you get one that you like. But as far as disabling the color filters, that's about it. Just turn off that toggle button, and that's going to remove any filter or tint from your display. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.